Hey guys, Captain Hot Pants here with Hot Pants LLC. Um, I'm sure you guys have noticed the little furnace that we're building. Well, we were trying to do it, and every time that we did, rolling so we can do the other side ended up crashing down, which really sucks. But we decided to go a different way. We decided to use a brand new table that kind of turned out to be the junk table currently right now for construction reasons. We decided to use this as a flat top, put foil underneath, but using this trash can as the little medium. So we get about good 3 or more inches going from right there all the way out to there. So that's going to be our space in between. So that way we can actually fit a really good size crucible so we can do our aluminum castings for bigger pieces and whatnot. Yeah, a lot of crap in there, but for the time being, that's a lot of space just to put a big, huge crucible in, flaming to get all the way around. Well, speaking of crucibles, as well as furnaces and things like that, we actually just got in our burners from chiliforge.com, and I'm going to unbox it. As you can see, still has tape. I have not even looked at any of this stuff. Kind of funny is a little sticker that says high claim item. Now, I personally don't like that. Luckily, I was at home and they had delivered it, so I didn't have to worry about anybody really coming in and stealing it. Seeing that it's a high-priced item, yeah, I don't like people like that. Ah, well, shit. What am I supposed to do with all this crap? Oh, even has a package list. Dual Diablo with connection kit with manifold, packed with care by Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Thanks for packing it with care. But let's get all this crap out. Wind's gonna blow it anyways, so. Okay. They actually had to go to a different company to get this, but this right here in the package is a dual manifold for dual tanks. I don't have my knife with me, which kind of does suck, but this will work. But they actually went to a different company in order to have it made. Nice regulator on there. Complete hose system. Good length of hose too, thank goodness. Doing this crap by hand really sucks. But, oh well. I'm sure if Sonny will ever see this, he took a lot of care to package it up, or her, but took a lot of time to package it up, and here I am just destroying the crap out of it with a little metal puncher. But that's what it looks like. And that is the Diablo burner from Chili Forge. You can see has nice little ball valve. The coupler fits right on top of there. Can't really see it, but there's a little burner head in there. But yeah, really nice craftsmanship. Going to the second one, since the forge has 2 holes. So yeah, it's a nice little update of our furnace. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Ta-ta for now.